Hello everyone and welcome to the second chapter of this course on Microsoft Excel. This section is comparatively shorter compared to other sections of this course, but I believe it can be the milestone for perfecting Microsoft Excel. In this chapter we will be discussing about data. So this section is basically the crash course of data. So what is data? Data is essentially information. And what is a database? Database is organized collection of data or organized collection of information. A database consists of tables. Tables can be divided into records, records further into fields, and fields contain data. In this Excel workbook, the name of the database is Chapter 2. This database consists of different tables which are the worksheets below. These are the different worksheets and each worksheet has got records. Here the row indicate the records. So we have got 10 records and each record is further divided into fields, and in here fields are indicated by the columns. So this worksheet consists of 10 records and 5 fields. Now the field employee ID is also known as an unique identifier or primary key, which we will discuss about in the next video.